our spare ribs. And we have 3 tablespoons of Bavarian style sweet and spicy mustard, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 cup of seeded cherries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to mix this together and rub this on both sides of our spare ribs and allow it to sit for about 4 or 5 hours. Well, it's prepared. When I used the cherries, I discarded the seed and the skin of the cherries, and I used about 1 cup. So I'm going to okay. Gonna let this sit for about an hour. Both sides have been coated. It's important for it to get on both sides and kind of just put it into the meat. It's going to be very tender. The sugars and the salt kind of breaks the meat down. I am cooking this on top of the stove on a very low heat for about 2 hours. We've been cooking this for about an hour. I added 1 cup of water on a reduced heat, and we're going to let it cook about another 30 minutes, and it should be ready, depending on the thickness of your meat. It should be ready. Spare ribs are ready, and we are about to enjoy this with a wonderful tossed green salad and a glass of red wine. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Until next time. Birds can be great little pets. They're easy to take care of. Plus, they create a wonderful atmosphere in the house. This is Mr. and Mrs. Henry. I've had them for a few months, and they had a lot of joy in my life. They can be a great pet for a preteen to a teen. I spend about $5 for food a month for them, and it seems to hold them pretty well. Let's take a look at a clip from the film Grandma. It's funny. It comes out in August, and you're going to enjoy it. Let's look at the clip.